I thought I won the lottery, but it turns out I just got scammed. When I saw these Merton Gershun American of Martinsville nightstands listed for free, I thought I struck gold. I knew the blue paint would be a real pain to get off, but if it's free, it's for me. I got straight to stripping, and wow, was it a satisfying strip, no pun intended. Look how that paint was sliding right off. I actually thought to myself, this actually might not be so bad, but I immediately revoked that thought once I got to the fluted drawers. I stripped, I scraped, I scrubbed. Each drawer took me a week, because not only were they fluted for a faux bamboo look, but they also had a bajillion decorative wormhole things on the fluting. I used a sharp tip screwdriver to remove the paint from each one. I felt like Dr. Pimple Popper. This part was fun and satisfying for like a total of 3 seconds. After a full month of removing the paint, I was finally able to sand and get started on repairing the veneer with epoxy putty. I attempted to remove some of the dark stains with several rounds of oxalic acid, but unfortunately I didn't have much success, but I still continued on. I sanded everything down with 120 grit, working my way up to 180. I couldn't believe it. I was finally getting to the end stages of this flip, or so I thought. I applied an oil-based conditioner, and then it was finally time for stain. I went with a walnut gel stain in hopes that it would cover some of the remaining dark marks, and as you can see, that was an immediate mistake. Now here's where we started, and here's where we are now. So I need your help on what to do next, because I've already spent 2 months working on these. I'd like to avoid paint, but that might be my only option. So please comment all your ideas and suggestions.